Hey there! Welcome back to another coding conundrum. Today, we're diving into a problem where our goal is to find the position of a specific phrase within an array of strings. The issue lies in our initial attempt to use a wildcard % to match the beginning of the string, but unfortunately, it always returns 0. Let's see what we can do to tackle this problem effectively. In the solution provided, we can see that the key to improving our code lies in a few adjustments. Firstly, we need to ensure we force list context on the grep function to get the matching elements. This can be done by enclosing the left-hand side of the assignment in parentheses, or by slicing only the first result from grep. Remember, context is key here. Now, let's focus on the code snippet where we initialize the index using grep. By using the syntax grep 0 $array 0 foot, we can effectively retrieve the desired index value without any hassle. It's all about pinpointing the right approach to make our code work seamlessly. Moving on, an alternative method involves implementing list, util, and utilizing the first function. By incorporating first, we can directly obtain a single element without the need for any syntactical tricks. Remember, simplicity is often the key to efficient coding. Another approach involves using the index function to find a substring within the array elements. By tweaking the code to grep 0 == index $a$ prayer amount, we can accurately locate the position of our target phrase. It's all about leveraging the right tools at the right time. Lastly, consider using a regular expression to match the beginning of the string. By adjusting the code to grep $a$ prayer amount, we can precisely identify the element containing our desired phrase. Sometimes a little regex magic is all you need. In summary, we've explored various approaches to improve our code and efficiently locate the position of a specific phrase within an array. Remember, coding is all about experimentation and finding the best solution that suits your needs. So, keep coding, keep learning, and until next time, happy coding. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Who knows, your comment might just make it into the next video.